Asantuma TV, the nation's pride.
Every day say sinkunya we Asantuma de rugmedi so na ye de eyekuwa krata na aposo no enso emode egu na me no bedwafo enso ebubu ho ne hwese de susuan ede body ho ebefa na enne ense bira na bedwe ho na titiru pa enra MPP ni NDC we ko no nyina abomoden eye nsemptrofo nhyiamu na dodo na no kaye na ibia abomoden abakuwa krata ni mu ibidi nkomo afen so eye nyame nipa the only angel Bishop Angel Obinim enra nyantie say ne kasa ni na yidinti na police for bomoden e ko na so ye ebra na we cancel e ko wi akiri papa yatimi atwa hwe ma police for bomoden da koto ansabia eno so me ne abedwafo besi nkonya na edi ehun komo ahwe bia ensem no so e bofo na ye nche okra no mfa ko wakrata na poso no emodia entu ni mfa the daily statement enhyase wo say this statement was by anymore so say we didn't elect weak Mahama for you. NDC replies NDC over region claims. Say NDC I'm going to sorry I'm bo MPP subo so many about to commissioner kona krana peso mu via about to anymore. No ana MP on you come pen for say won't me am so question ye. Say NDC for consider this feat already. We say them so bomb dey shady bi. And say dey bi o. Mahama na wa bomode agojo no enye de bomode eso ne nsa de brem na say to aba edema no enti eye ameko MP4 enso edibi akọ ana eye Mahama linked to corrupt network top UK need to give us oxygen to €5 million Airbus bribery scandal afin omampenda da John Dramani Mahama eye akọ say Airbus won sense me bomode story e wa fimpinu endunkum no Essential naso de dia honsem okọ ayekowa krata hodo ma wo UK the Tragana company that John Dramani Mahama that was ho say keta sheni sikadie ni bribe beans ensem na course oni Airbus no omo nimfoni enso ba monte ho no ma no the daily statement and they order to edwa but memfa the new crusading guide enso ento so informal wo hwe anyone mo a yewura eye Tamak Menu NPP campaign team manager no or Denny Mopa or say NPP not part raging conspiracy NPP not part Mark Menu shoot down NDC claims it said here Amenuko NDC sorry I'm say MPP ni easy person who hear about to him or say more per se be more come go for their fine but about MPP Amenuko or sono ko come ko na kasa dia yen ka hokra yen ya adwene say be wi abeto bi emutino munyi edin emfa emfrimu and also na the new crusading guy the main story obomodin ede ebaye afi ohen mo say arrest investigate Major Bwachi Jan over warmongering comment na B and so some of the buy no yewra Major retired Bwachi Jan e ka say MPP amunyu kon bomodin a tintintiniti ka say edin travel from the badia and okokese pa anomonye ready say bitimi aba no na B our NPP me ko mu say san samwa Major retired Bwachi Jan what the betu jano intentions for sra pose for say intimi enche owura intimi tum fi say den sama okono e betimi ma breach kese enso etimi abo o my Ghana me fa the daily graphic enso entoso enfamma wo hwe anymore na wo say 7,823 payroll ghosts in 21 MDAS inti mensi na Facebook nkrontu ahodo mu no Auditor General yera Daniel Domrovo so ahwe nkrata mu se wo hwe nkrata na abaho so tua adwuma for car mo ye adwuma ma aban no public sector na mo tua abatwa mo car nipa mako 7,823 ana aban tua mo car boso bia no a ekogu nipa bia account so yentimi hu nipa kro which is a Ghana is kind of new for baby into was say has to refund 564.2 million Ghana cedi looted cash. Ti yewra Daniel Domrovo Auditor General say empenifo a eda mensi ana fe so empeso ahodo ano no ye be show mo keten sika and bomode abodi 564.2 million Ghana cedi ayira no ye be hwe na omo nso e de aba because any papa ma ko 7,000 ye chine etwe mo ka obra yimo bi esika ne fa no ye bomodi a na aba ya bomodi aso mu e be bi esika na ko du bia nso omo enso e de aba nti the daily graphic e bomodi capture ne kese pa and edito eye aniwa say ma memfa the informer enso ento so informer we say compilation of voters register NPP threatened violence says Ayawaso mayhem was a tip of the iceberg. Nano ada bra na yekoto aba wo ye Ayawaso wesu go but impeso aso no okokesi modia epija no na no ana ye NPP for e kire se edin trouble for no a about to commission no e dey ba no se amodi ahwe ne anya ntum na NPP for modia so ye tintintinti a ahwe na Ayawaso wesu go nsem no no kwa be ketwa kora enti ye hwe na asomdwie enso emmodin a emra ewo my Ghana eye yabato ho sensem no enso emu ma memfa the Herald any the Chronicle in chat one from so me fa the Herald also small can NDC and NPP in war of words over 2020 elections adentina amanyokwa do no my Ghana nenso eba edin trouble from no a won te CDP for diaba won te se gum diaba won te se LPG diaba won te amanyokwa bia but MPP NDC yaje about to come sakona fa na mentiase inti sabere say okese pa ana beda MPP any NDC mu ano na ekun nye blues ana say nye tuo mu ano we tuo ana ne yonkona we so to ma ne yonkona nyina fa dintro fufuro a about to come so dey ba mountain so ti ufa anymore the Herald anymore ma oni so ensemo a ono enso e de e ba no afi hon pa kese pa o say Akufo-Addo's government plans airbag story in UK newspaper to embarrass Mahama. Somebody can to join offer Kuwakrata be a United Kingdom which memoir. Airbag and 17 Ghana man penny John Domingo or my Ghana Indian so in funny APA or UK which memoir Muko Akrata the two say or man penny or my Ghana moi Obomode Eja dem dear or airbag and only John Domingo Hamadin and then demois. Edin to how you can which memo. No, and MP and this when you couldn't moon penny for be say, oh man penny, John Manhara Sabria and the Muslim back, oh you can know, almost to say, Nana Adudan Kwakufuado, and then Namamu, and a bombardier, a Tebrigan and Sam, and a call you can which memoir. I must send him to a CKCW, a to John Dramani, Mahama. Then be chat or cry, Mamma can have your phone studio agent, and so at me Ediaba. You the Chronicle. The Chronicle is more about can see EC is scheming to raid December vote and this for the buy. Yeah, Samuel for NDC national chairman and no more money yes and true for Shemu. And I'm say EC about to come Mr. Mami James and the man for about more than I said. Yami had more December about to home baby. This was on Transition and okay. You have the MP before so can you mark money so that's here. Or say, we don't need EC to reach election after putting 1.3 million children in school. MP was wakasa. Or we are a year of from 1.3 million and our school. It is about to pass almost a year more. Omunya EC more. David. You are my money, David. Omunya about to come some more beer. So, meet me about to him. And you know, so one more day I did more from 1.3 million aku school. Then I was a wangasa who we are about to move. Till no bra a year NPP Combo Modern Fair a central for Shemono. Almost so I reply a year and somewhere NDC I'm going to come for more. After you say funeral business chain collapses in Kumasi. Somebody already chas and Timan Temwa Pempino. This will be not a year from Dakar and a face a year when some Gina Nasu Powers and Timan so convenient in by no address a year and one pen year, 1 more a year and 2 more a year at this year in Yama County for the canoe. I say business not collapse because then the amount for crying ye. Bear your phone one, I got to see. There's okay canopies, near sound systems, never can hear you know. So business not air collapse a year on my Santimantemo. Chronicle and bombarding this arm and go by. The track was no more lockdown impact is very severe. Minister of Health, Yera Kokwajima Menu, I also for woman they shop and doing some so. I say, lockdown win here. Lockdown win here being. Oh, your my Ghana mu FA COVID-19 no and so we any sema kuwa krata ahodo na aposo no ebo modern enso ede ebaye the find that dem akọ kind the power say COVID-19 mortuaries or more congested so much and amongst ahodo a ewo my Ghana mu a ye dem kan mortuary enti ase maybe obi wu e dey got a fridge ma ahodo no nipa ko si ho no omo ikire se be wa bo ma peso ni nyanse obi wu a ebusuafo hu ni se COVID-19 ntimi nya yi sa de ya ma ne hye ho itebusuafo bi nyoma bi se mu kwa koyo mu funa kwa kosie ama much ahodo wo o my Ghana mu abo peso obi kura wu sabere ya yenya baabi emfa no entumi hye sabere de mortuaries ahodo ne to mu safra ebusuafo se mu meyi mu funu na mu nkosie se de obi wu e benya bi edi no enso etumi ato ntiko wa krata na aposo no aha ene edbc ni nsem a eba no bi edbc ma menye ntem na me nkoma bedwafo akwaba na ye no nsem no sukọ ye hwe be a so an body no enso ebigu okay before say ye be ma bedwafo akwaba me ye ntwa homra ye ba ye de nchemu no so ebeto aso ene enso ye da wo for trade ampo nyankopon ba se yadom ede adom ye se ye ndi ahia wo ya asantema de rodwumedi so wo ye asantema tv so ahwefo mu bia action na enen so yasa esinkunya na o my God mpuntu ni edi nti ye badwendwe ho na afi ya bobo eye kuwa krata na poso ni nsem ahodo a ebo modern ba na modern aso amodern otumi edi eye ebi eho enso enkomo na ene den so eye say the transia e did the time with the professionals bro eye ya wada ni fie de bia so and then twedi amponyankopon ba say yedom ayayedom ede eye engineer Asamoah a oda Asamoah Electrical Enterprise ano asa badum efidwe mu a osabe chire nyamkane a onsensem washa ase de afam ekwa akora aya na pempi no ejahye ema ho so fie enam nyamkane a enti ne kwan a betimi abo ye nyamkane a ne mfide wi so fie so ho ban se be na electric bill na yitwi aboso bia no so no entumi enkoso na ne de so waba yinim de engineer ede ebe chire ye mode akona en engineer di nkomo na ordinary sem so amode atudwa e we asanteman deru dwumedie so asabri wo hwe e YouTube na fe so e Facebook live no ni nyina enso da na kwa mu engineer
yes sir
and open so makwa ba
ejo so nua
apombo ko de
ya me adaro mo ba de ni nti
ye brelisi na en de ni isu
o ene ebesa kasafa eja hyehye a enyina mkani ade ba no ene ebesa ato aso because eno aye mie na de ebeto aso nyina ne ye amanse most at times no tisi ankasa na bulbs kra na you use no e ade bi a e de eja hyehye so bre because ense ye bulb bi ho no ma enya papa
okay
it is bulbs na enya papa no so koto de behye ma in case of say e hye na say e bedu time na e ba bewu na etutuo say tuo na ebeto no eto enya tutuo say ekima explode me e pai the bulbs no pai na say enya beto e form so America say bi a o carpet bi se ho ana say ntina beto so eno so the fire outbreak ba pa eno so ya de bi a boy
bulb ye use fie ya nkasa so timi
me ba cho eno so the fire outbreak ba pa ntinka benya anka toilet bulbs sa LED bulbs LED bulbs na aba no eno na betimi abo because I don't know the way sit here no kran en shin tutu
okay
entimi e hye kra na entutuo se de other ones ne ti other ones ne de hye tutuo nti enya tutuo nso a etifiri suru ne begu form say ya bo se nyame nko a e de fire break so abra nti eno so ya de bi o se ehwe ne ye
okay
na de tosu mienu so ye the way si load your socket no e ya ne hard ne because socket bia no was nke double socket 2 bia no echo breaker ba ko peso enso nam say ye nimu nti no na electrician fo ni nimu nti no otimi socket be say 6 7 obi create me the 10 no the co breaker ba ko peso the commercial breaker na breaker no wontimi enje sa ahoden no enti we ba oba ba be plug ni TV we aba be plug ne sound system we aba plug na air condition bibi obi aba plug bi da sa breaker na so nti da breaker ne so no o ma breaker ne dey u hit breaker na the more no hit no so the fire break so be dey e be sa bro because dan say me call madam for be there in fact na nya asem beto me koduru honom no de wa ne socket pass bo ho ne unua de wa socket sa apente hwesuro se socket no sa aye de yo unua me say
ye free yini wa ba
chese entire dan ho se no say apente hwesuro sa aye de ya chese ma dwene ho ha me ntia
say kwa di agro
what timeka me busa nipa ne say masa o han fie na say eye wo busu fie an wo se o eye o han fie na mse wo ube kum nipa crop because ade we awaye obeshi obi fie na dia empire so am boy me ka chense se wan sesa na empire me bo an say eja toma enhye na bla wada
engineer
because sana was enhye na bla wada because hu
ne da ho no we sa bon
enti o fle electrician se wo kra ntimi nya electrician wo pe competent amana baba ya ma say
okay
na oji usakra na yes ne se obeshi obi eja pade enti anu ya de bia eno so ha adwene pa was ye hwe ana efre bibi joining so ya de bia boka papa esa so fie because obi ya joining ma wa in fact we there me papa bia obefa am say me nkoye adwuma bi ma no na onu ya me ko ye papa me koye estimate ma papa be 4000 papa is on board nti wonye dey ontua onye ti me hu ya nti wakofo obi na nipa nso be estimate wo ko busa nipa nso obetimi 2000 aya adwuma na ma no ana okoye na ani okoye ye assessments me wonom sa na papa ya frɛ me ofrɛ me na me hwɛ ya papa na mkra me buofu me pese me fa na mso de me fa ne ko na me ye ya prefie sisi e wogye nam wasi prefie me ko duro no ma say ne light no ma obi aye na obi na waye no so ho ana ne ceiling no so titi ja
e wo soro
honum to ofrɛ me na mko hwɛ am ka chenje papa wes na egusu nyina na ne ntaje say wo sa de 4000 ne ba ne de ko ede esa de ko toto ne ma enti ana at times no da bia am ka say wo benya competent electrician obeka no kra na kire wo fa no ne ja say obesa kwa because cables no o papa ne boarding ne boarding ti say o papa na ne boarding no so ye dey uzu ultimi pesca na because we say cement board ne boarding obeto cement obeto anua beto we nyina de asidan na one day electrician no ba be condemn fie no wa hifie ni nyina ma ntimi sro boka o ya de na light there da bia am ka say plumber hifie ana carpenter no ntimi hifie mason ni ntimi hifie but enipa ba akopɔ na hifie electrician hu sene doctor because doctor wakum ni pa so opa na ebo na nya ba akopɛ but electrician no obeku asa waja pade enti ade nti na yensuo no ne nyai ti yesuo doctors ohun ade bia no so ha adwen pa
sa joining na ye wo fie enso no eno se na wo ka se wo bi ye adwuma se am join ye na se na mara nkoyi a enso me eye ja atimi to fie
eye ade adi jakese pa because se unya so ade na unya so switch na se socket na se ya join no ho no ma ekoduru ho no ma ye frame bi spark circulate etwa no ho no ti etwa no ho net tija se ja net ti na ema like be koso enu ankasa so se ba ba shi ofie enti ade nti na wonya de won pe competent no onye na wonya join na join kura so be join a ye frame bi connector enu ne de connect ba electrician wo nim connector no enti ono ansa won de ono wa na join no kura so ye wo types of join wo how we see join or marriage ni eniema bebre how we see join no but ono nam so ono wonim sa na man tinu an say what twist abo ho na say ye say ne yo wa chinchima no de ne salty black bi afa ho wo ja to ko agi ne sika no ko enti sa de ne ye eniema bi a wo se pe competence de be ya so obe join ne kura na wo de connector be hye wonom se de be ya em ko fa sa afa ya outbreak bi aso so ensa emre ye ana de edi ho so ye electrician yeni a we de meka yeni ankasa efiewurafo ne yeni han dan ne ade obekọ obi ho no ba bia socket bo no ho no odi ne stuffing chairs akwa twene no de atale socket na so ya de bia e fire break papa e very risk because enye senkade o stuffing chairs kura bi si a o sa o ma be 1 meter bi eda ene socket ne ntem se de be ya access pack bi kura si o socket ne ho a e beti abegu from but enso sa ense ye stuffing chairs no mechanics material this material no so no eja binya fire na say ebi explode nya ya ebe hye ofie enti ade nti na wo ma 1 meter anya dey emma se de be ya obetimi impo in case of say bibisi kura na emma ye dey emma hye na nkofa fire break ma no so ya de bi a ha adwen fa
ti say dey akunwa na say empa esia ben bi a socket na main socket no enso e dey ye eja
ano so dey eja hye ba pa nti misro obe ya na wa shift afri ho ana
ye ba ko so etwato ewo eno so ho na
de etwato so ye wiring na ye no titiru esoro ne adigo no me pa chew electrician ni papa no wonfa musa pipes in mount because esoro so the fire break bapa because esoro no no ho ankasa na socket a line kwa akofa lighting line kwa akofa na socket bia so ekobia life and neutral et ka ho enti sai ho no no se aboa bi de na no koka no kwati ti hu se sia ya ebe ka bom nya ka bom so the fire break enti o pese o mo obi oduma mo se nka ma na the good pipes
the good pipes
so say the be betima bo an enko fa sa fire break bia mre o
okay enti ene so eye engineer Samoa ene afanchechim kwan hodro so ya na eja no ebomode atimi to fie na eja enso enna menyam kania so ehye fie ne ejapade ne akra pempi no hwa maiga na mu eja na dodo na to fie hodom ya na the fastest for me hunu ene say ya na efa dodo no a efri eye lighting system a yenye ni the sentina ya gibre na engineer Samoa awda eye Samoa Electrical Enterprise no etwen komo wo kwan kra minimum unit phones bitimi abo ho ban efri jasese ho before say engineer Samoa be kono say bia wo pese wo yi wadwuma nyam kania ehun sense be bia wo bi o my gana ma wo hwe bia no bitimi ato nsa fo ne nkora beba obehwe say factory na say nkora nkora fi no mo hwe mo di dwuma kama enti engineer ase be jam akora ma wo de eye Mahoma Trofo no ma na gudwa so be frɛ wa etunu di nko
ya Mahoma Trofo ne 020 0240 842277 ana 0547 663757 enti mesre minuanom sɛ obi anhwɛ ne ho ye because emre na aduru no ewom sɛ yare coronavirus aba but one hwɛ wo ho ye a coronavirus ni nku but light be hyew fie no ɛne o ma ne wagya pade nyina nti wo sɛ yeso ye hwɛ ne bo ho ban ye sɛ de be ye nkofa fire break mrɛ.
Okay, now I had a better brand. I did a time with the professionals. Any engineer, Samoa out there, a Samoa Electrical Enterprise. I don't know. You did some question so ABC. Now I am going to tour a Kuakrata, Naples. You can have okay, we just want to Sabrina. You want to share? And I said, yeah, the Kuakrata, Naples, Kwaku. You never got 4 ABC. Na ene efiada so nim se ne efiada because bojaye na bojaye mu no akra kwaku bafo kokrafo nyina hene e wo ha no na tad na feyi pa ye wi design obomodern design de ema no sa so ene nyame nipa the only prophet of our time and of his oya sa sorry penny elder prophet Kwesi Poku with me as a friend the fireman. Yeah. The fireman. On was in the titles, no. Everyone the Emma. Fireman, so fireman. How do you do?
I'm you.
Okay, thank you very much. Senior man. And you know, fireman, so you know, a baby, a shiana, yeah, shake work at an apostle. Across a friend, fireman, a mean pass and down the minute. You hear me. And I was a someone.
So the Kennedy, a compre concasse, Sabri will be fake pastors. I do my film. I think in no time somebody like my own brother. Enche.
Also
Obepo Pia. Nyankopon say. Nemre na ebe wiya.
Behwe no magu. Nam nyina so. Mumranche no ma behye nko. Benefo be so da ye.
Nti behye nko. What we?
Aso ya branche.
Nya no kore.
Nyame mo sa no hwe na wie ebire wetimi na ye.
Nya no kore.
Wetimi ba no nya adwuma. Sare wo hu na na ase sa na wo ka no.
Enya possible. So who nipa bi na so betumi aye that prophet
eduma na
who na akimu se media but what way bibia ni ho ekere
nipa bo akora nkere
nothing shoes
na tade akora
bibia nkere nti ya na ha me se ase we introduce na oje asompani
ni de
one ontimi nya asompani because asompani is a set example Emma followers no
na mitufu no kura ne di mutintimai mitufu
enko ni
mitufu papa
sada kura utu akura f4 bi no manify
enye no kore
okay enti akura ye hwe eneko akrata na nsem ba ye na bebi begina pa na ne edi nkumo efa ye MPP ni NDC ho ya kwa se ntokwam ya asoro wo ye NDC ene MPP enkankafa abato 2020 no na ade ba ko MP for kan ya say we didn't choose weak Mahama for you. NDC replies NDC. MPP replies NDC. We didn't elect weak Mahama for you. And you know, Osha, there is another brand NDC for a press conference. We have bomb I some of some for tour. I am piano money I can. Never been a coffee MPP first umbo say. Maybe about to MPP first umbo say. Maybe about to omuni easy santo kwa mi pagya wo ye amenoko mi nu akesi mi nu ntem akora se no adwen eye wo sa ensem no
okay mesan ajusu bi na as usual ade achi se ya na itwase ye aseda ma ye bofo no
okay
and then so cry sign weekends as a COVID-19 ka bibia betumi asi because weekends duru se ya na oya adwuma brem ehia se
o plan so ko dwo ho
yes utimi tena baby na afi release some stress but the other things in unity but ni nyina mu no ye de aseda na ye be me bofo no na afi aseda to so ama ya hwefo sanse o mu ni ho a ni ho no na mi ko asma bi sa me no eso a on se eti se asma wo kan se NPP se enyom ne ko yi week anase obi a enfamre twi no se omomodin ema NDC amanyuku no ana NDC nso enra omne press conference ne di kan bai ena omo kan omo je ti omo wie no 9 na NPP so e bai e wo amanyosemu on se untimi nyi saa ayampia hodo no emfira amanyosemu nyina kan wo ena ma agoro no eye de emum de ya na enye ne se ebeba na akoye entokwa eye ye se kan obi kan na we akan je at times se kasatwitwie atemdidie amema aya nanka eye ewo yem politics ni because wa kan ye de na obi nso de beba no nso de ekoye nim ni nyina no na ma obi wo ha sansem we nyina eba no eno nso correct me taking decision eye said ye eno na asem bi se bi ba no enye je mampanyin na ye no enkwa na obi etumi di taking decision so okoto aba e de ama obi ebi a we ekoso no we ye week we say obi trans na o trans ya adwen sansem na eba na no se yes em koto aba no man power smisi
okay
yes eno so eka amanyosem no ho a atin se se kasatwitwi amam dia ya nsa na osanhwe NPP for anase sa fiwi abato na eye dan me kan say do or die yes affair ema eye NDC because John Mahama ehunu say sa fi no wantumi ansan anya the probability say all san ba biem ne de I think say enye possible so betumi ansan ba biem because NDC for trans say what dia akodi nkuguo no san bra and oba sa abodin ya airbus confirm so photo any sa nyama da so ho
sanda na nyina
da so edu achi a enyam pepa mfiri udin ho nti se wo ye di obetumi bia penifo kan di se amanyuko ye di obetumi bia se obetumi aka bibiam na to Ghana fo asum se ya obetumi consider na o matumi ato abade ayi ama no other than that wonya hwe se kukuru na wie ya no nya je se obetumi ababiem nti na o chance ni nyina no na nipa ni bi susu se other political think tanks no na bi ka se nkabe ya na nka papa no je se nko betena nchen obetena nchen na nka ya kan se oyi statement on se nka ni age no so eye nti nko ono de me kan se nka yen ex presidents no nka
wetena se
yes na nka afi akoye se futuo we ba utunufo we ba utunufo other countries ti se former president Kofo wo ha is your friend how we woda we ano I think say nka bebo ano
ko se me Kofo anyini jeje nso anyini
nti omu nyina no
mama say no betimi atena se
gradually omu fade out because we hear ex president Kofo a ni age no ne niam bi wa enei na kwantu kra ba nti nka wo na ya abrante anse nka wutimi tenase but ono minim de wahunu oso obesan ko bi yes nti say ne hia say NDC amanyuko no enso ye de ombetumi bia say ya omu nso betumi deny dem aba because ade no we all product have it only nti being as what a marketer and I say a communicator one how to decorate brand what your product and here to me nya atofo emo meto nti ehia say nyama we nyina no so etumi bem na de enye eni kasa twitwi nti sa makasa twitwi na akoba say we the week one when about we this we so per say already election I know the na ye court down ho bobo bi an sheda nye
na asama eyewura Peter McMahon bomone kan we say we don't need EC to rate election after putting 1.3 million children in school.
On say sankola we nyina no afi dintwira a ebe no omo betwire bio nti omo se yenya sankola bebrebe we wo de yemfa no se yenchem miensa mienu kwatwere sa mienu no dania dodo na beto de ama NPP amanyeko no nti wo sa gigin se ye hwe de etwa mu ne number yenyan ne ye hwe enkola na omo esan abana dania ebede ebenya sa dodo no enti na ase wo sa gigin no on se abebuo se obi beto anase nifra ni beto bi abowa na ne nan anase bibi kita no yes nti se owo je ogina so ma ne kansa ase yetumi ama enkora bebre akane no yempen so uwie school na yenkoton abefuo yenkoton banchifuo hwan o ma me no papa ni bia ani sa akoko ni abefuo na se wontumi nko school but enei no so ma me wo bi so ba me nye de eni bi ye hia ani so anyanya achobox apegere bi e de asi ho woko
okay
anti eno no ya de bi NPP fo no se pe de o ma ye ne de eye dania enkoye se saa nifrafo edu no ye dania se o mu nyina akwarenkono na ma ba ko de be ye de aseda ba nti na ado be de na aseda nti no mo se agidi
fireman me hwe ebi ase NPP amanuko no ya target NDC with EC because MPP for enhwe voters register so MPP for enhwe abato so but then now we are NDC amanuko ehunu particularly and ye ka se ye bo EC dia ya bo MPP dia pata
said ye amanuko kuma NDC for musika on say NDC baso on betina so on the EC buy
yeah
we bibia ma MPP buy omo de katahye ne pro ni dwium etata na eyini firi ho e no mo so ye de ekofa omo de ye de e buy eti ayese me papa no de obeka na meti no e bi kura enye kura na me fa no acha bonstin so ni de e bi a wo ka no kura na ye de e kire me sa na MPP ni EC na ye de akoye eti esi a ye nyine ni dwombo adu de December say afu we de e beto aba isi ni so say bosomi aye kwa akosim obetwire di enti NDC fo a teso omo bo isi ni tu nyina say oni NPP fo na ko na kra de eka enti no say assembly odi beba bonti bia oni NPP fo ya de asusu no enti ba bonti sa na no mo so no adwa say sa ne ma no mo ye de omo de ba
okay
enti na so mo ye de sorry te u kai ayo ofosu ampofo statement na omo ye press conference na baby ogina so pa e kana wasi esan se NPP for akoso nipa 1.663 million people no akọ school
okay
enti no omo ni that's what they said the na minu yi kan say omo efa gina ho say so mo ye campaign plan na beto abom san so a de dan che ya isi ni peso ogina so otwiro din ni say opese odi NIA any passport edi tu kwan bi identity and a voters register that no and a voters ID card no na you use that and oyi free wo kofa sa enyema mienu wi e say so munim de omohu and no ko dan chen a for some of ka say oyi su brofu bi sa brofu no the only male in parliament the voice a female voice and a can sa brofu no so different franchise and no and just say for some of we use sa brofu no say eno be ma omo ba bi omo wo vote kese ye kura na opese omo gina NIA any passport edi 2 points so twira ba na e be ma omo vote so ate eti isi djumadi a wo di ni de e keme say MPP for no omo ko na kra na omo ye say djumadi ni ti na e be ya omo njai na nka edi na opese wo twire no voters ID card dada na e wo no ye mfa no a enkonkoto aba na say o twira foforo ye mfa no enye de emra nti ko de no e fa so sa kwa no so de betimi aboa ama bibia de akonkai.
Now this accusation there's pointing finger NPP NDC try say omebeye area 20 so concerning Omampeda John Dramani Mahama any phonia IPA with UK with memo about the Airbus scandal and bribery. Would you too?
Oh, say, sir, assembly.
Well, assembly, sorry, 2019.
Yes, 2019.
But all of a sudden, it seems that I start popping up.
So, Osha, is here. The camera said, "Who do you send him send the chia? No more idea what you are to one. Who saw bear no quaso. Okay. Netum Rebina, ye capapana, ya capapa, ye carbon, say, because they are the Bonnie Muna. Yea, is here UK, United Kingdom. Ye can't Europe and Maya can see about what would you mean in my part. Not the sun could work rattan so. Oko Yuka. Not for a kind pa. No, dear questions, the Airbus.
Not just the name
5 million.
The Nima Casaba.
Eda so da so Ghana man panyi dada Ghana dinu na omo ye de omo se ne ka omo kwase ankra mama sans wa be omo panyi dada die ntimi Ghana ni free ho tesi a udi no e na dia ko shemu a sanko wa krata no so omo wo various languages ne e wo mo site ukọ ho a ye wo Spanish ye wo Arabic ye wo German ye wo other various languages Chinese you know what
I'm just saying sir
edina oh
as your banner it's like say NDC you know yes MPP for you now
and no sir no NDC for ka say MPP for na dia ko but omo fact way ebi obi na post to story no e dey come omo so obenya say MPP for na dey ayini by dey na omo contact sanko wa krata say ehifo e na ma mo kwan a mo post to story because o ka say before obi ho na sementiase a sabio yetimi de o ko de e ko mbre ni e do mo contact sanko wa krata ne say den na mo koye sa story we e na sa Airbus ayini so no e ho popoye no so every that Europe amane so enti sanko wa krata no so mo nyina so a omo mo me de e post you enti se mo se mo be bisa me de ya ene mu nipa ne sei ni no ye ya story na ye de ya post enti se wo ogu na ni mo asese NDC for beka se MPP for na yes and de ene mu bisa sanko wa krata empanyifo so mo timi bisa omo de ya se MPP for na de ba ya omo be yi anu se ayomo na de omba ye mo de e ko se mu bu mo man afa so ne ti ne ma ye de ye publish ne ono so no omo nyina so a ombeka enti sanko wa krata ne de wa ya de na mo fa ba bi no se omanpanyin dada wo omanga nem ha okoto Airbus abra oman na ehun bribe corruption ne e dey because ye nyina taxpayers money and ye dey say na che say dream abase dia mo kwa say post nti o ma post wa they are right to post that but any mom say ni go say MPP for na social send dey minimum nya adu
okay Abra
minimum
on this very story how do you take it because it seems that Airbus scandal bribery in 2019. Emma attention drawn to COVID-19. USF and then we have COVID-19. My Ghana, the German, you send COVID-19. But just as we are left about some few months to elections, now all of a sudden, out of nowhere, I'm penny that John Dramani Mahama just happened, and they are in the past. They really in this dark period. Now, how do you see it? We are ending for more in as well. So much like I said, Kufuado, any the government SHC Intina, Penda John Dramani Mandini, Airbus Canada, Apopia.
I said, me can say, Amano Semuno, Bibiao. Sa, and Yama win, I can't man your semo. In this oil, man your semo, not went to me a more near Naha, and sharp. By the time I won't be bound, no be their forcing. And two, Sadia way no so cry a sign by se Ghana ha nom no na agen amanyosem ne kwanye fa so fa no se ye oman bi so a enka odi amanyosem beto nchen na wadili issue no se ne ACBC e be dili no but ye krom ha no eye nia akoye se abato no akoye se tafra hwiase wa mutu a odaye onim se ene NPP no entimi kokan saade we e bi ade bechi na mafiri ho na NDC aba na ade bi foforo nso asanya ba me pen so eye nia men so ye betwemase nti ene ma men kata so anuanom mienu bohunu se we ni oye NDC na ni nua wo NPP nti asem ne ba obede no aka issue we ohwe aman bi so a se de o masi afa no a omo edili wi issue no a won hwe nipa anim ene ade na think say senke enso ye tanase na ye yi amanyosem dia tonchen na ye dili se de issue ni sitie because ebe enye dimboni e de ama oman no anye as individual say bia ni din kora ba na se ni mfonya ba a ni kruakrata no most no epic no enye Ghana no even though say ono ye be single on out ebi a one ne family ebi nya jimboni but oman ni nyina no enso so asan ye dey agi jimboni ehia se eno no ye de yi ono as mahama no eto nchen na ye dealing with issue no ana true on say afiwe e ya abato afi nti me kai sama kan se mu se sa amanyusem mu no wisi so na ya brantie na opese obeya amanyusem da achi a eka bi e wo ho a bomodin se obe deal with it and san wako ani other than that duana ofro no okosoro no o ma okọ na wushi o mu wusane a be san share the same people ena wo no wo mo enso fi pam eneti ena mahama o mu nyina ni mo se di usitie enti ade am se abeya nka bi a ye de e wo ho enti wo pese wo bo ho a on se boxes igna ringing
the be on se
why o na ni achi apai o bo ho no ma o so obe wiki yes enti sa na akwa koduru enti se NPP ahun se okay si ye de faha na obeba ye de faha be counter okay airbus yaba enti ene ye bo ho no ma on se airbus issue ne bai no e na da excavator sem e bai enti na akwai se okay atika ya won so why enti NPP for kan airbus no na NDC ka excavator but enei no ba bi akwa koduru no o hiti ho no ma hu se wonye nya ade fufuro bi abetu nti ene on hiti ho akopim se team kaja na afi de wa ma nsa so so nti eyi tama se NDC for no so mu obibi efa sa airbus scandal no this is the time because December no e wa akire so ni akire wantumi anye na etoga na ni team se kukuru be ye film no na ayedin.
Okay, now you read our last but one story just within a period of 1 minute now you can discuss nemra the social news that board no so aya adishe bia e wo odumanim asen odumanim e wo say asen south mensin mu e wo ye mfimfim mantem mo den sabe tudwa say because of omunsunti enya ade obeto aba but we yen hwe yen kopem fonimra na e ba edi ho komo
asen odumanim asen south okay yesu ya no ma ye wo boho ba ko abata say 1 year ni ya company for severally ye nyamwa bia omo responding to our call nti sisi ano ya adwin say ye nya to pa anom dia ye nto aba ya say unum si opa onya hoden pa sisi ayare abe ya say wa nya to pa anom kwa mpo a ya no kwa botumi anya no mo no ka the water that we drink and it's causing us sick. These are the century na etu atese wo ha ye won company for ye won DTs wo ha ye won MPs wo ha omo mu ayen kitikiti mpo nsu anum de mu ayen nsu de hu ya ba yesra ban
Ambrose Daly skala o maji ya tu eskadi akwa kuma assembly hall
yesra ban
to boy
Entina infoni ebo mo ko hwe no ye addition mo we asen odumanim wo asen south mensim wo ye fimfim mantem mo kire se mumunsuo a mo nom enye ntometime gina so na afi we sa ban na amode antia mo a mo nto aba wo afi 2020 mu either NPP or NDC no they are not going to vote. So on this one akra say ye hwe nsuo ho na ye nto aba as proposed by the people of odumanim na asen south district or central region. Over are right.
Oh yes. Here say omo kan chom say so many nsu no monto aba. Ye to aba yedi. Ye to aba say ade aye ni no. Fa eboa ni ensa betumi aka. Other than that, ene nki beja ni nyina oman no enka ye to agum. Okay. Enti say ya to aba na ma. Say bra na beboa fa nyema pa betumi bre. Na say nipa no nya nsu no ma. National cake na ye che. ebi a making kwan unko yi bi ho.
Now, is this not a bad way of bringing out our grievances? Because we are man for bring out here, you shall say what you are last year. It means when you are coming to about 1 year, my yen to about. Bebrina, and I'm sure this year we should say 1 point to my yen to about. Is that the right way to bring out our grievances?
Ofrudua. What you talk with?
Yeah.
Ofa hu si a wesi. Ye de yisi gifo po ni bi. E be twere dua no. Na afa no so si a wesi.
Wesi okay.
E na kwan a be fa so a wasem e be duru no hono.
Aban ni mo.
Yes. E na say all demonstrate kra e ne constitutional rights.
Okay.
So demonstrate say demonstration e wo constitution ni. Say wo ye we na say aban no anti a utimi ti gu abonten. E nti na obi ti gu abonten ye ma abonbofo e di na chi. San say aman no krata ye de ball man ho bra no agitum enti ono so ensuo no ohia yes ensuo no ohia on kan je say bre na aduane da bi aduane ni on kan je say be yi ne kwan e bi kra ayare sabia oni bi but emprempre no and ensuo enso ka ade a nipa ehia ye basic needs no ensuo ka ho nipa no wa nya ensuo a eno no obenom wode bi dware wode be no aduane enyema ahodo bebre nti so oni bi obere no atana se nti me de me no ya adwen se onka na se onyina so se wo man ko yesu na because it's about time citizen yes say yetumi ema amanyofo no hu se sebi ye nye ade bia akwa eduru se omo bepe tumi na free ho no ma no ma be da dai e di 1 cedi ni 2 cedis abehye pipem dia mai ye to aban mo na so mu bia ebre no eni afiwe ya abato afi du kan kire se wa me yensuo na so be ya bonsu be tumrika no ba be enya afi ye beto aban no mo ye kwan okay ye to abanya 4 years
4 years mo na we
nya afi no ye kwan yes o de opa na obi so nka se midwane ye kwa enya ba bi scan she bi ye de kwa kwan
okay
nti wo mo so bre ni yes o mo nyere o mo
and the fireman using water as an excuse not to exercise your franchise in elections 2020 is not too shallow using water problem as what? An excuse not to vote by these people.
Okay, first of all, water is life.
Okay.
Water is everything. You cannot live without water.
Okay.
Because even plants and animals need water. Why is human being? So for their statement, they issued out that without water, they won't vote in 2027 December. They are all right.
Okay.
Because when they talk about water itself in geography or in the world,
okay,
water contains 70% out of 30% of land.
Okay.
So in everything, if you take in percentage for 100, water is 70 and land is 30. Okay. So they are right to demonstrate on the government to bring water in their community, because when they talk about water, now Ghana, we are in the rainy season. As my brother was saying previously, when it comes to election year like this, MPs, ministers will be going up and down, vote for us, vote for us.
That they make a lot of promises.
Yes.
Okay.
They will start with roads. In every community, every area need road, as my brother said.
Okay.
4 years now they are doing corridors route, particularly in Ashanti region and various areas. So for them to start on their water, they are right.
Okay.
I don't know whether borehole, tap water or well they are need for, but water is everything.
Okay.
So if they have started with water, to ask the various government officials to bring water in their community, they are all right.
Okay, so, now let's go to the social news. Your friend Obini, as a prophet, he too is an angel. He was a prophet before he agreed to
fake prophet.
Oh, for that who? So, Farmer, on this very issue that the social news that came yesterday, that Njobini, he collapsed yesterday when the police went to arrest him on some issues, and he being an angel, whole angel, he collapsed yesterday. From
my comment on this issue.
Okay.
I mean, Njobini is one of the famous, if I should put it in content or category, is one of the famous pastors in Ghana here.
Okay.
But for his work as a man.
Okay. No, his work as an angel. He said he's an angel.
No. he was then first man of God.
Okay.
Before later on, he revealed that God has given him another post to become an angel.
Okay.
So that he can flee from one area to another.
Okay.
He can even come to your dream, tend to be a snake.
Okay.
So that he can give you even lotto number.
Lotto
or
number.
He can double your account.
For you.
Yes.
Okay.
So in his context, like police to arrest you to, faint. Why didn't you vanish from their hands? Previously, you call yourself man of God, angel. We know angel tend to be like bird or an insect, which can have feathers to flee or fly.
Okay.
Hey,
man of God is everything.
Jesus Christ.
Okay, yeah, probably let's go. So you can fly. That's what you're saying.
He can fly. Okay. So why did he didn't fly? Rather for the police to take him to hospital.
Okay.
Now I can say police officials are there waiting for him to recover so that
they can arrest him.
They can arrest him, interrogate him for what happened between the case, whoever is concerned, so that they will go away. So I don't know. So it's between him and God.
Okay.
The reason why, when you see someone like, let me use this example. The
so
time
you as a prophet, you as a prophet.
Yes.
Do not introduce him as a prophet.
He said he's a prophet.
He's not a prophet.
Giving a title. When you're giving a better title to your life, it's good for you to capture it than to delay it.
Okay.
To capture what?
To accept it.
To accept it.
Okay.
So if someone is giving me a title, man of God, should I vanish it to go and take something like Juju man? No. It's not good.
You won't vanish it to accept it. Okay.
So you need to accept it. Okay. Good things are good things.
Okay.
And the
Okay.
So for opinion issue, as you were saying, for my view or my point, I don't know what to say, but everything is in the hands of Lord.
So, Abra, I don't want to come and say, a year. Naka ne mo di si funi o yeso mo di go as antimantel because convenient and she convenient be an excuse say obi or ye from that because say buy mo modern twa say you see the partner say ye definitely say ye but omo ya ma mo twa wo quite congested mu kwa nko yi
I say ye krom hanum no eso so eniema bi so a bi ti say funu
as antimantel kwa person
yes bi ti sɛ yɛn naro yɛn ho bra asantemantam a sɛ asantemantam mu sɛ wanfa funu no ankɔto mpam ama kwabrane amemiemia na ne wutimi sɛ su akoa yi su deɛ ɛnyɛ su ni ɔbɛfɔ so asu bi timi wiem petesi ɛne guinness no ɔwia bo sɛ ɔbɔ n'ani sɛ na nisu otimi sɛ nisu ɛbɛ di apeti susu anaasɛ guinness so na ɔbɛtwa ho ahyia makogya ne kwan ɛmfa so die bia ɛma and two on sɛ nipa no hu sɛ ɔma nipa no so kosie na ɛnya ade sɛ ne kakrawa no obenya ɛyɛ deɛ ayɛ nye to me de abro ama agye ato ntimi so minya na sɛ ɔde me de abro ye kroma no nso sɛ funu ne na hɔ a nipa ne ba no bibia anhye dan kenya
na mu sɛ we kra ne brank betimi ayɛ asie anase betimi ayɛ yo brank ka ba obi amem
ɛnyɛ ka asɛm no wɔ
go hu ni sɛ nka
ni sika ɔno ni sika na ɔde brɛ ɔto hɔ no ye sɛ wo no ɔbɛyɛ yie ketwa we nipa 25 wo de fa ne sɛ omu nyina akora no obia momodin oba obia ma 100 cedis wanya say 100 cedis nipa 25 yes nti ono no say na no papa bi owu ha ya me call ni di me call e mitua e bi 200 cedis ba ku bi so de sa mitua 100 eno kwa anya 300 nti wo de omo mi enu kora no obia nso mre me 150 nka menya sa 300 no omo maka na me call omo de nso mfa mre me na me call akosie ni oba ene ya anya me kwa ye na anya aduwe ya na akwa dia boni san ma me e bi 50 cedis akosoro no nya me ama wa 10 nti anya obema na shim
nti busofo no se omoboka
oh yes
amusie no boka
me wo that personal experience aba ku bi da so shim abusuafo na transe se wedi ekoyi esie e man se da bi e ka aka nyina betua
wetua
and because se omo na fufuo bi a omo beba bi gya omo ba ti onkosi di a omo ma onti ene omo me yefunda kan de obeto aso osu sanse sabere ni obi anya na dwen so okosie e na omo komochiri ho no nso so a omo benye sika but sika na omo nya no e be san ama ho no nso so asan yes because e foforo nye de e ma nti omo mu na sika na no betwa so no mo anya enkopim se saa ban we no be free ho ne de ono ye fundaka ho beka mochi ho no so ho beka that spinners omo aka canopy yeah a whole lot and omo aka we ni because enke ye ni ye we ko kobo ka we ko we ye say oni nyina e skeba bas abrin government say ye ni ebrepam nti omo nyina anti fundaka fo no momodin no mi a o mani ya ba no ye nyina niema nkoyi
COVID-19
yes niema nkoyi
okay na niema nkoyi ha na ebegina na ye de enne ye asantema de rodimodi ni so ebesi edema wo ye asantema TV na ye ka se mo hwe e wo ye Facebook na fe so YouTube na ye se asantema TV ana etwego no na asantema de rodimodi ni so eda so bi na enye wo TV so na rodimodi ahodo na chese e wo asantema TV so betimi ahwe e wo ye YouTube na se Facebook ono mo betimi akiki bia so no ahwe entertainment vibe ni de kaka nyina na ya de asabre no edi ehinya de nchichi ewo ya asantema TV ni so a se wo free ya asantema de so betimi akohwe other ones ni so bi ewo ye bomodi an pese ye gije woni ewo interview ni so dia bomodi an gibre na media hodo a etwebu ya asantema TV so nyina no betimi akom na watimi ahwe bi kama pa nti ne ye be gibre ha na ye de ye asantema de media ni so amodi atumi esi asada PAC mo pia se de bomodi atena se a ye de ye asada ekono enko ema iprunga manager ye Starboy Quartin Mr. K, I don't know. One of what they said, maybe am I to it's me Eddie Bro. So and a vice. And if you need your book, so the bomb the original cameras in the chair, would that no, am I also it to me Eddie a buy. Now and then a year with your football the back and sa the star the prophet and also the deacon. From the fireman, Kwasipoku, and a year Accra Kwaku Bafo. Kwafo nyina he the pania. On so bomode eba e na dwenkyere enso etumi ba na me a bomode egibre egira e afiri na chinchin fu mara fe so bomode adigmadi e ho chia me e ma wo edin amje so ene oman chia me owo ahene e champion bere ma ba trade am ponyankopon ba sai adom bomode de adom adum ye ne adase de besa transfer e de e asantema de rudmedi no enso etimi e de abro do bi as
Asantuma TV, the nation's pride.